All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is August 31st when I'm recording this, so I think, what is that? It's the end of the month. I don't think we have 32 days on any calendar months. So yeah, that should be the end of the month. And some of the things that I've been looking at for this market, if we come over here and if I get the right situation, it's for some reason not pulling up. There we go. Okay, so if we look at this, we have basically done the same pattern. If you guys look at before where we got over the daily 50 and kind of dealt with the daily 200, we're essentially doing the same thing. And you can see that right here, like right here and right here are basically the same thing. Oftentimes I talk about this pattern in a bullish sense, but since we are in a bear market, this is kind of what's been happening is we will go over and then we come down, we kind of blip around the daily 50 and then we continue lower. I really don't see any environment where we're going to go higher because typically I do look at a pullback to an uptrending daily 50 as a bullish thing, a pullback into an uptrending daily 50 and then we hold and move up. I just really don't see that happening. The most that we could happen is we get a bounce, something like that. We kind of come down, we kind of spend some time at the 50, maybe we bounce a little bit, but ultimately we go lower. I just don't see any other kind of way for it to happen. And if you look here at the hourly chart right there, you can see that price got up over a downtrending hourly 50 with the Moxie indicator below zero. That's an inverse trampoline move. That is a short or a false long situation. And, we're getting a little extended to the downside with the SPX. We do have price at the lower third ATR, and we've had price kind of running the lower third ATR here too. But you know what? Any bounces will be shorts. You just short the bounce, short the rip, short the bounce, anything else like that. Because at this point, look at the angle and the direction of the hourly 50, and you know what? Even if price comes up here into the into the hourly 50 or even over the hourly 50, look how deep the Moxie indicator is. It's telling us that basically price isn't going to go higher. Even if it bounces, eventually it's going to roll over and head back down like that. If you guys need an example, I've been showing some of the Chinese names just because they've done the same pattern in the past. Now, forget that they've eventually moved up. That's different. I'm trying to talk right here, right now about this situation with price at the daily 50, and you can see that price did go lower, and you can see, the indicator's not pulling up right now. It's after hours sometime. There you go. So you can see here that price tried to bounce back up into the hourly 50. Notice how it got rejected, and notice that the Moxie indicator was below zero while price was trying to get over the 50. That's an inverse trampoline move. That's what I'm trying to say. Because I know these patterns, because I can see them, I can not predict it, but I can be prepared for what I am expecting to see, and that is generally what I'm expecting to see. So basically, the name of the game is bounces will get sold into. I think that there seems likely that there will be a bounce. This thing is getting pretty stretched to the downside. I wouldn't want to initiate a short in through here. I think there will be a better opportunity. If you do have shorts, I think you're fine hanging on to them. Just be prepared. There might be a bounce or a flag, and maybe you can add to them at that point if you want. So thanks again. I'll see you guys at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.